Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 29th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, I do have to say we had a better day than Friday, but it was not a really uplifting day either. The Dow Jones Industrial Average basically drifted negative all day, as frequently happens, and made a low earlier on in the day, and then build some and close at a considerably higher price than where it was on its low, but it still closed down 36. I don't think it ever got positive all day long. We came in with a handful of positions, and when the market opened, I got pretty excited. We had one really good trade going in DGAZ, that's Velocity Shares, that did a nice gap up, and everything else looked pretty good. Now, just one brief moment, we actually got our open trade up over $10,000. But as has often been the pattern recently, as the day goes on, we see our profits eroding. And what happened today, we ended up closing out about $2,000 positive in open trade equity, and we're only or closed trade, and we are carrying about $1,200 positive in open trade. So it's a positive day, but it was a little disappointing compared to where it was earlier on in the day. Anyway, I'll show you some charts and kind of show you what happened. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see here on Friday we had this big V formation, actually ended up closing slightly positive. Today we really never saw positive ground today. The market it went down, again formed kind of a V, and ended up closing negative 36 points. You can kind of look and see, we're seeing a lot of zigzag, kind of directionless trading in the Dow. That's pretty typical, it's going to do this from time to time, and we just have to be patient. I'm going to show you first the problem trades that we've had today, and we might have had a better day if it wasn't for these problem trades. This first one is in EXK, and that is Endeavor Silver Corporation. And we bought Endeavor Silver right here close to the top, and it just drifted back. Now, this isn't a terrible trade. We may get out of this tomorrow with a profit. You never know. But it's not looking really great. The worst trade we have is in a market that normally does really terrific for us. If I can find it here, let's see. Maybe I'm in the wrong chart. Yeah, here we go. This is CSIQ, which is Canadian Solar. And if you've been following me at all, this has been a great market for us, but it wasn't a great one today. We bought this breakout, and it made it a little bit higher, and then it just went back, and I think we're holding close to negative $3,000 on that. So Endeavor Silver and Canadian Solar were not good to us. However, we did have some good trades, and I'll show you those here. This was the big one in DGAZ. It was Velocity Shares, and you can see we got this great big gap here. This was up like about $5,000 plus on the open, and it just drifted back a little, and so we're doing okay in it. I want to show you. Yeah, my cat wants to get in on this show. There, yeah, okay, show everybody your face. Anyway, so we're hopeful for Velocity shares tomorrow. See if it gets back up there. And we had another decent trade here in 3D Corporation, and you can see we bought the gap. Or 30 minutes into the day, got into this, went up, came back a little. Nice steady climb here, but then it pulled back just a little toward the end. But we still have a real good trade going in 3D Corporation. So anyway, that's the way it goes. We're up about $1,200 on our open trade. This is Trader Bob signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.